Sooty's Circus! We promised you a circus full of performers, and here they are. It's Mr. Norman Barrett and his amazing budgies!
Hold tight. Up. Good boys. 1, 2, and 1, wait, 3. That's fine. Oh, good boy. That's it. Come on. Good boy. That's it. One more time, jump. That's better, sir. Up. Good boy. That's fine. Thank you. That's right. You've got it going now. Watch very carefully. Here we go. This is it. Ready, right. Up 1. Come on. Up 2. Come on. Up 3. Up 4. Up. Right, don't sit on the car. Now, what's going to happen? He's going to run along. Sorry about that. You don't know what you're doing, do you? Let me try. Look, show him what to do. Look. All you've got to do is run along the table and sit on the car. Sooty, what shall I do with him? Sort them out? Good idea, that. Better get down. Get out of the way. Please, I misfire. There you go. Okay. Now look. All you've got to do, when I say quick as you can, come on. Not me. Don't sit there. Done it all wrong. On the car. Hurry up. Good boy. You're doing very good.
And now for the stars of the show. Those crazy clowns, Sooty and Sweep. We'll walk the tightrope!
Easy, Wizzy, let's get busy!
Really hope you enjoyed that video. And hang on a minute, it's the telephone. It's Mr. Slater. Hello, Mr. Slater. I'm just in the middle of. What's that, sir? Tell him if they don't subscribe, then I'll get the sack. Oh, he's gone. Well, you heard what he said. If you want to see lots more Sooty videos, you have to subscribe by clicking here. And if you want to watch some more videos now, click here and here.